Good morning. Thank you for tuning in to Morning Coffee with Gwendolyn. Glad to see you today. It is a beautiful day again down here. Sun's out. If you haven't already, I ask that you please hit that subscribe button down below along with that notification bell so that you are aware of all my future uploads. I wanted to take a second today to kind of talk with you about what's up with an open house from the buyer side as well as for potential buyers. So let's get to this. For a seller, when you're ready to sell your home, a lot of real estate agents will try to host an open house that first weekend it comes out onto the market. The purpose of that open house is to properly display your home for neighbors as well as potential buyers to come through at their leisure and take a look at what the home has to offer, get a feel for it. Now, no, not everybody coming through that home is actually looking to purchase at that point. However, they do usually know somebody who's looking over in that neighborhood. And since they're close, they've been asked to come in and take a look. Absolutely what we want. Sometimes these people will come through with, I've been thinking about it, but they take a look at the home you have to offer and they're already ready to make that decision and move forward. And that's something that we also like to look for. Now, another goal with hosting an open house is it helps spread excitement about this home coming onto the market through word of mouth. Definitely what we want to help you find the right buyer. The more the merrier. Absolutely. Now, when it comes to a buyer, we host the open houses and give you the opportunity to come through and take a look, even if you're just curious or you're just looking or you're toying with the idea of purchasing, or maybe you're just wanting to add to or begin your wish and want list and need list for your new purchase. Now, there's a few things here. Yes, we absolutely have a sign-in sheet twofold. This sign-in sheet actually allows us to show the seller how much movement and foot traffic we had through the house that day. It also allows us to talk about any interest or feedback that we received during that open house. Secondly, yes, we're going to call you. I know, I get told all the time, I don't want to be inundated with emails. I'm already working with a realtor. Absolutely 100% agree with you. However, a good realtor is also going to reach back out to you just to verify whether or not you had interest in the property or know of anybody that may have interest in the property that we could send that information to. Also, some people are not actually working with the realtor or they don't have anybody right then and there, but they are wondering about the process because now they're intrigued and they want to move forward. We can help you with that and help get you set in the right path. So yes, unfortunately, we are going to call you, but I promise you it's not inundated with emails and we're not going to reach out to you and try to harass you or bother you, okay? Now, open houses also for buyers allow you the opportunity to go through the neighborhood and the community to get a feel for it, to see if it's a right fit for you and your family. So definitely, if you have a chance, get on out there and check out these open houses. There are several ways you can find out what open houses are open for the weekend. One, contact a realtor. This girl right here, I will hook you up with some lists. So just contact your realtor, let them know you're looking for open houses in what area for that weekend. They'll be happy to supply that list to you. You could also check out social media. Look for events or pages. Try to do a search for open houses. Some people do list them. Now there'll be one-offs. You won't know if there's one across the street or down in the next neighborhood, but you will know that there's an open house that weekend, especially if you're eyeballing a home that you really like. The other way to do it is there's signs. We'll have signs posted out at all major roads, and also we'll be handing out flyers in the community to go ahead and let people know that we do have this open house coming up in case they have anybody who's interested. Well, I hope this clears up some questions for you. If you have any questions you'd like me to tackle or answer for you, please post them down below. Huge shout out to those sending me a text and email. I do appreciate it. I'll be happy to answer any and all of those questions as well. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today, and I do hope that you have a wonderful weekend. Thank you.